Hi everyone, this video is going to be all about how I use my PONi Cosmetics eyebrow products to get fuller but still natural looking brows. These are my brows before and these are my brows after. So I'm just going to hop right into it. I start out with a BROW MAGiC pencil and I take the spoolie end of it and just brush out my brows to make sure that all the hairs are going in the same direction. Then I switch over to the actual pencil part to start filling in my brows, and I use a really light hand and apply the product in really short strokes to mimic brow hairs. As you can see, I kind of start near the bottom and then start working my way up and towards the front of the brow. When I get to the front of the brow, I take my pencil and I start drawing vertically rather than horizontally because that's how my eyebrow hairs sit there. Last but not least, I move on to the tail portion of my brow, and I like to take the pencil and just kind of extend the tail further than it actually goes, just to make it look like I have a little more hair in that area than I actually do. I also build up the arch of my brow a little to make it look thicker and just more pronounced. And then of course I'm moving on to the other eyebrow. As you can see, it's a lot more sparse in the tail area than my other eyebrow, so I just spend a little more time trying to make it match with the other. And what I really love about this pencil is that it does go over the areas that might be sparse or kind of patchy, and it makes it look like you really do have hair in that area. And when I'm done using the pencil, I brush out my brows one more time with the spoolie, and then I go on to the brow powder in the shade Palomino. And I take it on this small angled brush. And I start at the bottom, kind of middle part of my eyebrow, and I start working it upwards, kind of like how I used the pencil. And I just start blending everything together, kind of starting near the bottom and then just blending up. That's how I go across my whole entire brow. I don't spend too much time with the powder, I just like to use it to darken my brows just a little bit to match my hair better. And then I go through with the spoolie end of the brush to just brush through my brows again to make sure the product is dispersed evenly. I don't apply any powder directly to the very front areas of my eyebrows because I like it to be a little bit lighter there, but I do spoolie through that area to make sure that everything blends together nicely. Last but not least, I like to take my powder foundation brush and just use whatever product is left over on it to soften the fronts of my brows just a little bit more. And that's how I fill in my brows using the PONi Cosmetics Brow MAGiC pencil and the powder. And here's a little side-by-side clip so you guys can see how much of a difference it really does make on my brows. Alright, thanks for watching, see you guys later.